It's a drone to the rescue. High above Belmar's beach soars a new life-saving tool. Lifeguards are testing out the high-tech device as an additional option during an emergency, providing flotation and communication.
That could potentially buy the lifeguards additional time. This endeavor in no way, shape, or form removes the lifeguard from the life-saving equation.
Belmar partnered with Rutgers University to test and tweak how the drone-assisted rescue operation will work.
We found that the drone can get out to a person about 1 minute faster than, let's say, if someone, a lifeguard, is having to battle through heavy surf.
In the future, a lifeguard could send the drone out carrying an inflatable vest. Once the drone reaches the swimmer, the vest is dropped. Rorty says practice will help with accuracy.
It's a small, compact, weighs about 1 pound.
I think it's cutting edge technology. You know, it's definitely something that can be used even during off hours.
I think it's a great idea because you could see things from aerial view and maybe something that a lifeguard can't see from his point of view.
They're also testing out the possibility of making the drone a walkie-talkie so that they could communicate with victims out in the water. Oftentimes, a distressed swimmer panics. A reassuring voice that help is on the way could buy more time. In Belmar, New Jersey, Meg Baker, CBS 2 News.